Your engine filter is over here. What you have to do is you have to unclip this, push it backwards. There's another one here, same thing. Then just pull it out. So now get the new one, put this up, slide it in, have it this way, the sharp edge on the bottom left, and slide it in. Once it's in, just make sure this part is locked and the other one securely, and then push this clip forward until you hear the click noise, and do the same to the other one down there. And with that, you're good to go. So here's the old one. You can see how that it was. Check the link in the description. Subscribe.